Hey MB crew, welcome to my morning routine. As you guys can see, me and Caviar is my fur baby. We're laying in bed. Believe it or not, you guys, I lay on top of my bed fully made, and I usually just use my throw blanket. I've been doing this since I was like in high school because I don't like making my bed. So this is a lazy way that I'll do it. Sometimes I'll get all the way under the covers, but not all the time. So as you guys can see, I'm starting to wake up, and I'm always greeted by Caviar, you guys. Always. Like, I have to give him some love and affection and attention as soon as I wake up, because if I do not, you guys, he will literally jump and pounce all over me. So yeah, I just give him some love, whatever, embrace him. It's weird. It's like I really don't look at my phone. Like, I might look at it briefly, but not really. But you guys will see later on in the video what I do. And we just, give each other our little kisses or whatever. And then I head straight to my bathroom. That is the first place that I go in the morning. So that's where I'm headed. And you guys beat me there. Like, what? I wasn't expecting to see y'all in the bathroom. So I brush my teeth. I'm not going to do that on camera because that's kind of gross to me. And then I go into my skin routine. This new skincare that I've been trying out, you guys. I have to like wash my face before I go outside because I have the night treatment on. So I have to wash all of that off because you don't want to go outside with that on. I am testing out this skincare. So in the near future, I will let you guys know how I feel about it. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is just yet because I want to make sure that it works. So yeah, I just like to go in and wash my face. This is when I kind of like talk to God. I pray. I have like positive affirmations in my bathroom, so I'll read those. I just kind of like free my mind, kind of like wake up, because it takes me a while to wake up. And then I'm just going to go in and like wipe all the soap off. Normally I wouldn't use a washcloth, but this routine or this skincare line wants you to use it for their regimen. So I am testing that out. While I'm doing my skincare, Caviar is stalking me from the bedroom. Yeah, he gets back in bed and he watches me until it's time for me to take him outside, you guys. But yeah, I like to wash all that night treatment off before I walk him, and then I usually change my clothes. I take him out on a walk, and as you guys can see, this is us coming back inside from our morning walk. Once I'm done with that, then I usually go ahead and maybe make me some breakfast or just eat it like a little something. This morning I actually had a headache, so I'm just drinking some orange juice. I took some medicine and I'm having a piece of banana bread because when I have a headache, you guys, I'm nauseous and I don't really eat much. So I'm just eating the banana bread so I have something on my stomach. And I'll actually like look at my phone, check my messages and stuff, and then I'm going to head back to the bathroom to get myself together. I had these old flat twists in my hair that I needed to take out. Take my twist out before I get in the shower because I like to let the steam hit my hair. If you have not seen my perfect afro video, you should check it out. It'll be linked in the description box. But yes, I like how it makes my hair look full when the steam hits it. So that's what I'm gonna do next, you guys. I go ahead and get in the shower, wash my body, do what I gotta do, y'all know. And then once I'm out, I go right into styling my hair for the day. And I decided to just go ahead and do bantu knots at the front of my fro. Just a cute, simple, quick little style to get me out of the door for the day. When I'm not filming a hair tutorial and I'm going out for the day or whatever, I just sit at my vanity here like I'm doing. You guys see this is a familiar background. This is where I sit when I always do my hair, even when I'm not doing videos. But I sit, in front of the mirror and I do my hair. And yeah, you guys, I probably was like watching a video or listening to some music or whatever. But yeah, this is what it looks like when y'all don't see me filming me doing my hair. So I just finish up my hair and then I go ahead and do my makeup. So if you guys would like me to do my makeup in the next Get Ready With Me, let me know and I would definitely include my makeup. But yeah, I'm just like fluffing out my hair, making sure I like how I look, and I do. My makeup came out really pretty. Caviar is back in the bed, y'all. He loves being in bed. That's where Caviar be at all day. between walks and me playing with him, he's in the bed. So now it's time to pick out my outfit for the day. And I'm just putting on the robe because I wanted to show you guys. These clothes are from Lovelywholesale. So the little set that I had on earlier goes with this set. And it also comes with a nightgown, which is really cute. But I just wanted to show it to you guys briefly. So I'm just trying to weigh out my options. I put on this gray jumpsuit. And you know, it's cute. I love these jumpsuits, but that's not the vibe that I wanted to go for the day. And I know I'm not the only one. When you're trying on clothes or picking out your outfit, you're dancing and everything. I really like the top of this outfit, but I don't really like the bottom. If it was all black, I would have wore it together. But yeah, no, that's definitely not the vibe I was going for this day. I just wanted to, you know, have on something really, really chill. It's my time of the month. Mother Nature was bothering me, so I just want to be comfy. That outfit was cute, but the shorts were just way too big, like all in the crowd. You guys, I am so crazy. So yeah, I'm always like dancing in the mirror and doing stuff like that when I'm getting dressed. I really love this jean jumpsuit, so I wanted to have a particular look together when I wore this, and I wanted to wear my hair different. Y'all know how I go. You want to wear your hair a certain way with certain outfits, but I love this jumpsuit from Lovelywholesale. Super cute. So the next items are from Shein.com. These are some swimsuit bottoms that I'm obviously not going to wear today. So this is a cute jumper that I really, really like. The strings are a little loose in the back, so I am going to tighten those up myself. But this was a really cute outfit, so I definitely cannot wait to rock this jumper. I like how the back is out. It's really, really comfy, you guys, and lightweight. And I really like it. And then also from them is this really cute graphic tee that I'm actually excited to wear. I can't wait to put me a little fit together. Y'all know. So yeah, I'm just trying it on, and I do like the fit of it and everything. It's really cute. Thou shalt not try me. Mood 24/7. Okay, period. Don't try it, sis. No, y'all know I'm just playing around, but no, but for real, don't try it. But yeah, so I decided to go with this butterfly shirt. It's oversized, so it's definitely gonna hide my bloat. And I have on my little black biker shorts that I got from some little boutique around Atlanta. I'm just gonna put on my black hoop earrings, you know, fix my hair from trying on all of those items. And yeah, this is the vibe that I definitely went for that day. You know, I went out, took some pictures, ran a few errands, given cute, and I decided to go ahead and pair it with these boots for like an 80s look with the socks. I thought that was so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me morning routine edition. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see Caviar's morning routine and I can definitely do that for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.